Bonjour, welcome back. Look at this, I've still got 3 lives. I couldn't wait till tomorrow. I just got to use all my hearts up. So we're going to jump back into the basics. We got the crown, so we're going for level 2 crown now. There's 6 levels to the basics. I want my foundation solid, so I don't want to watch no videos. So we're just going to do this like risky.
Chat.
Chat, that's a cat.
Chat.
That's a cat.
Un garçon.
Un garçon.
Garçon.
A boy.
Un.
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 So A.
Un homme.
Un homme. So un homme.
Homme.
This level seems pretty easy.
Un homme et un garçon.
Like the voices, they're so expressive.
Un homme et un garçon.
Un homme et un garçon. So a man and a boy. A cat and a boy. Un chat.
Chat. Un garçon.
Un chat et un garçon.
Un chat et un homme.
Where is it? Chat?
Chat et un homme.
Un chat et un homme. So a cat and a man.
Un chat et un garçon.
Un chat et un garçon. So a cat and a boy. Easy peasy so far. A cat and a man. So chat.
Un chat. Garçon.
No.
Homme.
Un chat et un homme. Nice try. Chat is cat. Boy
Chat.
is garçon.
Garçon.
Et
Et
homme.
homme.
Un.
Un.
A man and a cat. Un homme.
Homme.
Et un chat.
Un chat.
Un homme et un chat. Boy is garçon.
Garçon.
A is un.
Un.
And is
Et.
et. Homme.
Homme.
Chat.
Chat.
Oh, they gave me a girl voice.
Un garçon et un chat.
Oh, I can't do that because it wrecks the recording, right? I'll lose. Sorry, man.
Un garçon et un chat.
Un garçon et un chat, so a boy and a cat. To double check that one there. Match the pairs is garçon
Garçon.
et
Et
homme.
homme.
Un
Un
chat.
chat.
A man is. Oh no, I hate typing, man. Un homme. Oh, we don't need capital. Correcto. Data! Bring it! That sound is like a breath of fresh air for the ears. We got 30 XP. I started from the beginning, so we'll do one more. I like doing about 2 lessons per. Oh, you've earned 100 XP towards this December challenge. Oh, a challenge? Bring it on. Let's keep on going then. Maybe I'll be sitting here for 7 hours just doing like these little 10-minute videos. Oh, we can beat these guys. Easy peasy, man. Let's do it. Set your status. What does that mean? I like my picture there. That's good. All right, let's continue building our foundation of the basics. 15 minutes a day. I'm going to be here for like 3 hours, hopefully, if I don't lose any lives. Je is I. Je.
Une femme et une fille.
Une femme et une fille. So, a woman. A woman. And a girl.
Je suis une femme.
Je suis une femme.
Femme.
I'm a woman.
Une.
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 A woman. Une.
Une. Femme.
Une femme. Un garçon et une fille.
Un. Une.
Un garçon et une fille.
Une femme.
Une femme, so a woman. Je suis une fille. So I am a girl. Cat is chat.
Chat.
A is un. Boy is garçon.
Garçon.
Je.
Je.
Woman is femme.
Femme. Je suis un homme.
Je suis un homme.
Homme.
I am a man. A is un. Girl is fille.
Fille.
Et.
Et.
Garçon.
Garçon.
Femme.
Femme.
I am a boy. Je suis.
Suis.
Je suis un
Ah.
garçon.
Garçon.
Sounds like a boy. Félix est un animal. Chien, garçon, animal. He said he's a cat, so he's an animal. A girl and a boy. Let's see. Une fille et un garçon.
Garçon.
Une fille et un garçon. I am a man. Oh, I hate typing, man. Je suis un homme. So, je suis un homme. Looks good, looks good. Ta-da! Lesson complete. Oh, I'm getting combos and boosts and things. Hooray. Alright, that's it for this video. I'm just going to sit here for hours and make a bunch of... how do I get my hearts back, though? I guess I have to watch some ads in secret or something. See you guys in the next video tomorrow, which will, for me, will be like 5 minutes.